Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the second episode of this series where I'm creating 7 different makeup looks combined with red lipsticks. So for today's video I was thinking to create a very easy gold eye makeup. It is so easy to create that you won't even believe it. So let's start first by priming our face, and I will be using this primer from NYX Cosmetics. As always, I will prime my eyes and I'm using the Lauder EYE CREAM. Now for concealer, I will take the MAC Cosmetics and I will apply some on my lids as well, because I'm not going to use an extra eyeshadow base. And for foundation, I will use a powder one, and I am taking this one by MAC Cosmetics, and I am applying it with this big face brush from BH Cosmetics in the number V1. I will set my concealer with some translucent powder, and I'm using the finishing powder from NYX Cosmetics. Now I will fix my brows, and I will take the Lauder brow pencil. Now for bronzer, I will take FILMSTAR Bronze and Glow palette from Charlotte Tilbury. And now the same bronzer I'll apply into my crease using a fluffier brush from Zoeva in the number 228. Now for eyeshadow, I will be using this liquid eyeshadow from MAC Cosmetics, but you can use any gold eyeshadow that you have in your makeup collection. It doesn't matter if it's a liquid one, a powder one, a creamy one, or whatever. Just take any gold eyeshadow and apply it all over your eyelid. Now I'll use some blush, and I'm taking the matte blush from Maybelline in Mauve Intrigue number 40. So now for the lips, I will use a lip pencil. This one from Gerard Cosmetics in Immortal, a review I have done on these lip pencils you can find on my channel. On top of that, I will take this liquid lipstick from KALON Cosmetics, as well a review on their products I have on my channel, and you can use my code IHE85 for a 15% off, and this code doesn't expire, so you can use it as many times as you want. And again, I will take the FILMSTAR Bronze and Glow palette from Charlotte Tilbury, and with my finger I will take the highlighter and apply here on the highest points of my cheeks here on the nose and on the cupid's bow, of course. You guys, this is the final result. So if you guys want to recreate this makeup look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and Twitter. I will be very happy to see your results. And before you leave, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification, and I will see you tomorrow with another video. And of course, don't forget to leave me a comment below and tell me if you like today's makeup look. Bye!